Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Vscode's integrated terminal with Control+ so you can run commands immediately. Once open, pick a shell that matches your workflow: Bash for Linux, PowerShell on Windows, or WSL if you need Linux tools. Make sure your workspace uses a consistent default by editing. Vscode/settings. JSON, this prevents surprises across projects. You'll also learn why choosing the right shell matters: path resolution, environment variables, and extensions behave differently depending. Once done setting the shell, configure the terminal to match your workflow. Split panes to run server and client side by side, create multiple terminals, and give each a descriptive name so you avoid confusion. Use tasks. JSON to bind compile, lint, or test commands to key shortcuts and save time. Make environment variables persistent for that workspace, and add terminal profiles for repetitive commands. This boosts reproducibility, because you and your team will run the same commands in the same environment. To finish, integrate terminal use with debugging and live reload so you can iterate fast. Run tests, watch files, then attach the debugger. If something breaks, check two common causes: your path differs between shells, or permissions prevent scripts from running. Inspect terminal. Env and the shell profile. Make sure to restart the terminal or reload the Vscode window to pick up changes. If problems persist, reset the terminal or switch profiles briefly to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.